everybody, Devin up here in the back, and today I got SCUF's Insta Pro Xbox Series X controller. We're gonna unbox this, talk about this, see what this thing can do, perform, and we're gonna have some fun. Let me play some games with it. So this will be my first introduction to a pro controller. I never had a pro controller, never had a elite controller. Maybe I should get one and unbox it, I don't know. But I feel like I'm too late, but it's never too late on things. So I don't know, what y'all think, should I get it or not? I'm trying to get that Xbox Halo controller, but that thing is hard to find. But when I do, I'ma definitely get it. So with that being said, we gonna get started. I got goals today, you got goals today. Let's get started. Load the pizza for you.
Someone hit the block, girl, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, I'm in a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every key, God forbid. Virgil got paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too blood.
Alright, so here we are. SCUF's Instant Pro wireless performance controller, designed for Xbox, and also designed for PS5 too, but that's coming soon. Alright, so there's a lot of information on the back here, so we're gonna break this down. 4 rear remappable paddles, allow for faster reaction, and can be configured to 16 functions. Alright, so when the states can be configured to 16 functions, I'm assuming you can actually do some macros with these. And I'll put the text down below if you're not familiar with what macros are. Allows you to save 3 remapping configurations for different games. Yeah, so that pretty much kind of confirmed it. Instant triggers activate like a mouse click for faster shots. Performance grip that provides a comfortable, non-slip feel for extended gaming sessions. Wireless and wired connectivity options for any playstyle. Removable faceplate makes it easy to switch designs. Okay, so you can take the faceplate off and, you know, customize it. That's nice. So all you need really is just a controller, and you can just add any faceplates you want. Okay, SD. There you go. Go hit up SD. Interchangeable thumbsticks with different shapes and sizes allow for the perfect fit. Okay, so not only you can change the faceplates, you can actually change the thumbsticks. You can pretty much assemble, disassemble, and just remap the whole controller if you want to. So that's pretty awesome to know. Alright, so here's more specs. Compatibility for Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, Windows 10, Mac OS 10.5 Plus, Android, and iOS. Connectivity is USB Type-C and Bluetooth. Audio port 3.5 millimeter. Wireless range up to 45 feet. Approximate weight 280G. Alright, yeah, and here it goes. So the contents that it comes with: the controller, thumbsticks, and looks like a USB Type-C port. Alright, finally, so without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, look like you're gonna slide this out here. Alright, yeah, so y'all know how we do. We gotta get the best reaction of this. Let's open it up together. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that joint's sitting there just right. Nah, this joint look fire, yo. I know it's kind of gray and dull, but nah, bro, this joint look fire. I mess with this. Nah, this something serious right here. The controller feel nice. The thumbsticks feel good. Okay. You got the little back pads right here. Nah, this feels legit. Like this feels nice. I'm really liking this. What else we got in here? So we got some accessories inside. Then we got a little book right here. And also we got a message, says change your game. So here's the extra thumbsticks right here. And next you got the USB Type-C cables. Yo, I like how they have the same designs all around. It's literally just the smallest things that like make you, you know, appreciate what you buy, you know? And then you got the 2 AA batteries, thank you. And then so now we got the controller itself in this nice, beautiful glory. So let's kind of get into it. The texture of it, it feels very smooth, like a regular Xbox controller, but this design feels a little bit different. It feels less plasticky, and I feel like it has a nice luxury design to it. I can't really explain it, but it feels, the material just feels a little more smoother compared to a regular Xbox controller. So then you got, you know, the thumbsticks. You can push it down pretty easily, move it around, no issues so far. D-pad, you know, you got your optional buttons right here, start, select, snapshot, options, menu, power button, of course. You got a mute button right here, so that's new. Similar to a PS5 controller, this mute button can come in handy. And next you got, you know, your buttons right here, X, Y, A, B. On top you got your bumpers, Bluetooth connection, charger, SCUF, battery design. Batteries can't fit inside here, but I definitely recommend getting that Xbox charger. It's only like $20. Next you got some switch right here on the side, on each side. So for what it looks like, I see 1 dot and I see 3 dots. I'm assuming this is the fire function. Next you got the profile switch right here, a little tiny hole. I'm sure this is useful for something. Then you got the triggers right here to remap and, you know, do your macros. And then you got the nice grips on the back. As you see, this is a little more than just the sweat resistance that's on the Xbox controller. This is more of a deeper groove for what it seems like some great gripping. So on the bottom you get the 3.5mm jack, and also you got the accessory. All right, so now with that being said, I'm really curious on how to take this apart. Hope it's really simple. Let me see. Oh, okay. You pretty much just take it off. Oh, and it's magnetized too. You see that? Pretty simple, you just pull it off. And here's the inside of the Xbox controller. Really nice. So you got it shows everything, like the rumble feature, like the insides and everything, of how it's designed, the plates deep inside. Yeah, I think this is pretty awesome. Truthfully, me, I'll probably play the controller like this. I don't know, but I like stuff like this. I don't know. But yeah, here's the back of the SCUF controller where it looks like, yeah, pretty cool, pretty simple, you know. It's easy to take apart and reattach to it. Like, I like that. All right. So for thumbsticks, okay, yep, same. You just pull it apart. You see the little inserts right here. I guess it gotta be, you know, correct, of course. And all right, I got it back on there. Do me a favor, don't take this apart unless you really need to. It kind of took me a while to get this back. All right, so without further ado, that's pretty much the controller. Now we got to get into it and pretty much run some tests.
Perhaps a few more for good measure.
Yeah, so that was the SCUF controller. What do y'all think about it? I done some gameplay, and so what I did was timing. I tried to do a training, a real life scenario without actually playing a real game with the movements. And I hope you guys kind of got some answers to what you was looking for. The control's very comfortable. The back triggers, what I would say about that, it's very easy to press, if that make any sense. Like, it's just, so I'm not used to those back controllers, so like I have a tendency of constantly pressing them. I thought the controller is really comfortable and like great. I like the Pro controller. I see why they're Pro controllers, and I noticed that when you switch the switch over for the triggers on top, you know, you don't press it all the way down, so it's more of a faster, like rapid fire, like it states. So I thought that was pretty cool. I didn't have to, you know, hit the trigger all the way down, so my reaction time is gonna be dramatically better. And so right now I'm a Platinum 5 on Halo. I'm not sure if that's good or not, but I was using the regular controller. So with the SCUF controller, hopefully my game just, I know my reaction time is gonna be a lot faster and sharper because I don't have to press it down all the way. So that's gonna save me probably a second or two, which is very important, and I might, you know, get better because of it. I think I'm pretty good in the game. I always play my Halos on Legendary. I'm a heavy Halo player, so I find myself as a above average. I'm not saying I'm the best, but I'm definitely an above average player. Like I do be like killing 2 or 3 people at a time. I'm not trying to brag though, I be going crazy. But anyway, enough of that. I like the SCUF controller. I think it's a good controller to take you to the next level. And if you want to go to the next level, you definitely gonna need that. Honestly, you probably just want to go with the Elite controller. They're definitely on sale constantly, going for like 120, 130 now for the Elite controller. So if you can't afford the SCUF controller, or it's too much out of your budget at the moment, go with the Elite controller. I'm sure it's just the same. And if y'all want me to, you know, buy that and review the Elite 1 controller, I can do that for you. And I can definitely buy the Elite 2 controller and review that for you if you guys want me to. So let me know down below what you think. And, you know, I can probably compare the 2 or 3 or whatever you guys want me to do. So with that being said, I'm done. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Happy 2022. Hope you guys are doing well, safe, and have a productive year, because I got goals today, you got goals today, and we gonna get it done together. I'm out. Peace.